Hi guys, Tech James here. So I know I said I wouldn't be making Nintendo Switch videos anymore, but inateck actually sent me an email and they said they wanted to send me some Nintendo Switch accessories. So they look really good, they look like quite high quality accessories, and my Switch, I don't really have many accessories for it, so I agreed to them, and yeah, they wanted to send me some stuff. So here it is, let's go and unbox it. Here is my Nintendo Switch. I haven't really been using this lately, but hopefully these accessories are good. I know they've sent me a few things. So yeah, let's take a look at this stuff, and if you guys like the look of it throughout the video, I will actually leave a link to the accessories in the description, so if you'd like to purchase some or you think they look cool, you can just go ahead and check them out. And yeah, let's see what they've sent me. So there's a box right here. I think there is actually a few things in here. This, we'll have a look at that in a second, and there's some other things in here as well. Okay, so let's have a look. So the first thing I've got right here appears to be a USB Type-C power bank. Of course, we'll go ahead and just open it and have a look at it. So this is what it looks like in the box. We have got the power bank itself right here. We'll take a look at that in a second. We have got a USB Type-C cable. It looks like it's a USB Type-C to USB Type-C. That's kind of interesting. Obviously we have the plug adapter. That's a UK plug socket, so that's perfect. And that is it's not like a Europe plug socket, I think it must be. Or is it an American one? I don't know. I don't know these plug sockets. I'm going to use the UK ones. So yeah, let's actually set this up. I'll take everything out of its bags as well. And then there appears to be another kind of like power bank thing. I'm pretty sure this is the same thing, just a different one. Does it say? There's some info on the back if you wish to read it, but I guess this is just kind of the same thing, just a bit bigger. Again, I'll set this up in a second. We can have a look at this in a second, I guess. It's just USB to USB Type-C again, but this time a black cable. So again, another power bank or just a charger wall adapter for the Nintendo Switch. And then it looks like we have got a Nintendo Switch carry case. So I actually needed a good one of these. I've got a really cheap one, but this one looks really nice, really high quality as well. So let's just take a look at it. So we have got a label on here, inateck, and the quality of this is actually really nice. Has the inateck logo on it there. This is what it looks like. It's quite big. If I get my Nintendo Switch, you can see it's pretty big compared to it. It almost looks like you could fit two of them in there. I don't think you can, but let's just open it and have a look, see what we've got inside. And there you go, so we've got two kind of pouches here for holding games. You can get 20 games. I don't actually own any Nintendo Switch games, so I would show you like putting them in, but I don't actually have any. So yeah, that's where you put in Nintendo Switch games. We've also got a cleaning cloth right here. We've also got this is like an extra strap or something. Pretty high quality. That's quite like heavy actually, got a bit of weight to it. So yeah, cleaning cloth, these are always good. And then it looks like we've got the straps. This is where the Nintendo Switch will actually go. So we can put mine in right now and just see what it's like, I guess. So I guess it would go like this with the screen up. And then of course we've got these bits as well. With these, you can just like make sure the Nintendo Switch is secure in place. So just like that. And then we've got this strap. I'm not too sure what this strap actually does. I guess it's kind of the same thing. And yeah, that's a Nintendo Switch in there securely. We can zip this up. It's quite heavy, especially with Nintendo Switch in, so I'd probably keep that in mind. But it's definitely like a really good quality case. The zips are really good quality as well. And there you go, just a nice case for your Nintendo Switch. Definitely shock proof as well. I can pretty much, I'd say you could drop that fine, and it's definitely not going to take any effects to it. And so yeah, they've sent me another thing. This is also a backpack, but first of all, let's just look at these chargers. Okay, so here are both of the chargers. This is the first one. This is like the basic white one. I really like how these chargers work. So you just get the plug socket of your choice. So here is a UK one, and you can simply just push it on there like that. It slides on there easily, clips on, and then of course you can plug it into the wall, and you can charge your Nintendo Switch, your phone, anything that has a USB Type-C. I mean, this is just like a USB Type-C that plugs into it. So in theory, you can get any adapter and use it. That is this one. There is also an instruction manual that comes with it. So this one is called the CC01005 charger. I'll just take a quick look. There's just some information in English. So this one is an 18 watt phone charger pretty much, and there's the whole list of features if you wish to use that, and again very lightweight. And then there's also the black one here. Now this one is really good. This one is pretty much the same thing, but it has a USB as well as USB Type-C on the front. There's also just a little notice if you're interested in that. It's actually quite hard to see, but it says 5 volts 2.4 A max, so I guess that's amps. And then it's kind of the same thing. You can just pick your charger of choice and it will actually just clip onto the front. I need this one, a UK plug socket, and yeah, exactly the same thing. You can just clip it on there, just like that. It will clip on, and to release it you just hold this and you can actually just take it off. Just like that. And then this also comes with an instruction manual and just a normal USB Type-C cable. So let's just have a look at this one, just in English. This one's actually got a bit more, pretty much the same thing though. And yeah, this one is a CC01003 model. So again, pretty much a phone charger, but you can use this with loads of stuff. Oh, there's also the specifications. I think I showed the other one as well. And yeah, if you're interested in reading those. Now they also sent a backpack. The backpack looks really cool, so I'll check that out right now. So this is the last thing that they sent me. This is actually a backpack. Now it's kind of designed so you can use it with phones or Nintendo Switches or stuff like that. Let me show you guys right now. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if they have any other colors. I will leave a link to all of their stuff in the description of this video anyway. As you can see, it's got their logo on there. So it's got some pockets at the side. You could put like a drink in this or something. Another drink pocket on the other side. It also has a USB port right here. Now we will be taking a look at that in a second. If you turn the bag over, it also has a zip at the back. So you could put something in here. Maybe if you're worried about something getting stolen, you could put money in there. Maybe a phone. I don't think the Nintendo Switch actually fit inside here. I mean, I can try right now, I guess. So here's the Nintendo Switch. Does it actually... Okay, so no, it doesn't quite fit in here, but you could definitely put something in there. You could just put the tablet itself in there. But yeah, it's quite cool. I would like put my phone in there. Actually, let's just check. See, if you don't want your phone stolen or anything like that, there you go, your phone will fit in there perfectly fine. Zip that up. Let's take a look at some other stuff. So it's actually like padded at the back, just on like the straps here. I actually really like this bag. It's a really nice bag. I'm definitely going to use it. It's got some kind of like... Oh, okay, I see. And then you open it like that. It also has a zip on here, and this thing opens just like that, and you can put other stuff inside. I want to take a look at this USB thing inside because that's very interesting. What actually is this? Is there like a... Oh, I see. So it's got another USB port on here. So could we use that to like charge our Nintendo Switch or something? And then play on it outside the bag? Do you know what? I'm actually going to grab my power bank. These are all the pockets inside, just if you're interested. Quite a lot of pockets in there. Like there's like 2 at the front as well. Let me get my power bank and we can see if that's how it works. Here's my power bank. Let's see if we can connect this into my bag and then charge the Nintendo Switch up. So I'm just going to plug it in and make sure it's turned on. There you go, 99% of charge. I guess we can put the power banks in somewhere like there. And if we get a USB cable and plug this in, is this actually going to charge our Nintendo Switch? If so, that is actually really cool. Now let's just test it. Does it charge? Let's find out. And yes, it does. Console battery 100%. That is actually very cool. This is also really good if you still play Pokemon Go. It would be really good for that. Does anyone still play that? I think maybe a few people do. I don't, to be honest. But that is very, very cool. You can charge your phone while you're using it outside of your bag. I'll try this on my phone as well. Let me just get my phone out. And there you go, works perfectly fine on that as well. So I'll show you a few pictures of this bag. I will also put some pictures of it over on my Instagram. And yeah, so that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next one.